Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. First of all, access Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on both of them. Now you need to choose receive on Samsung and send on an Android. After that, click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here. Choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of files app, click on in my case images and tap on send anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!